Kaunti ya Nairobi ngabana omulayi bwense William Ruto abayanekeire abamenyi ebe kaunti ya Turkana nga nigagochia ko bangusera amache aisaine elio banyara gokorera gusanya bakore miroberi yabo ao gati yabo okongusa goso okoya mabuta nabo igo amonoboremi okwana korwa asenyombene yoborai yense ime yo mu Nairobi State House nigono nyanigo atebura buna nigo agochia kweneke buna ense ya Kenya konyorere koba age kwanda ebirongo buna chinse chirichinde nigo alire yo ekero abaligania abarai au korwa ase county area ya Turkana.
I am putting money to bring water because we cannot get that oil out without water. We need that water from Takwel. Hiyo maji ni mzuri. Hata kama hatutatumia kwa oil, tutatumia kwa maji ingine irrigation na nini. So there is no problem. Sindio? I am committing money. Na mimi napatia watu wa jeshi 2.5 billion watengeneze hiyo, walete fereji. Wapeleke kwa mashamba hapo Takwel na wasukume ingine mpaka Lokichar. We are going to change this country. Believe you me. Hii inchi tutaibadilisha. We have what it takes as a nation. There is no reason why we cannot catch up with Singapore, Malaysia, South Korea. There is no reason we can catch up with them if we just make the right decisions. And I'm going to go out of my way to make sure we make those decisions. I'm going to provide the leadership.